over that moon. Don't forget, if you want to know how to do the moon, there is a tutorial on my YouTube channel. There we go, there's a nice thin coat of liquid clear, that's very easy. Let's start with a little bit of Indian yellow. I'm just gonna put some over here like this. Just a little bit of Indian yellow just across there. Right then, let's go with some crimson. We're gonna go over the moon as well. You see how thin that paint is there. Still with the crimson. See, that's going like a sort of orangey colour around there now, look. Make that like an orange sort of side on the moon there. There we go. There we go. Right then, we'll brighten up the sky. So just some titanium white and a brand new fan brush I got. Let's just concentrate on some light. Do sort of. We'll just blend that out and see what that sort of gives us, I think. Okay, we're just creating some kind of light and clouds here, some low clouds. Around here like this. So we need just a little bit of light coming in front of there. Nice row of trees. I'm just going to concentrate on the tops of these here. I want sort of this moon with trees in front of this one. So I'm just going to do this. Let's go somewhere about there. Some little branches and stuff there. Nice layer of mist in front of them trees there, and then we'll just mist that off there. There we go. Can do sort of another sort of little layer there. We should pick up some of that colour. I don't know how far I want this water, but we're going to come somewhere down. If I do that, I can build a picture around it, can't I? So, can you see that? The yellow there coming through from the moon, we can just brighten that up a little bit there. We'll come down to about there. We can just add a little bit more white around here, where that moon is. So I'm just going to pull down here. Straight down. That's mixing with the crimson, the yellow, the liquid clear on there. Go across here, and that should give us a nice sort of watery feel. So we'll just put a little bit of land that maybe, we had a little bit there that comes down here. Go to about there, I think. We can just bringing that at an angle, sort of like this. That can just sort of go off somewhere over there. A bit coming here, maybe. I want this river to come down here, through there. It widens up. Go to about there. We can have, let's fill all this in. So I'm just putting black on now, that's all I'm doing. Just putting some black on. Down here. So it sort of comes this way. Come around here. Have it quite sort of wide here. Oh, I'm just going to fill all this in now. Something like this. That'll do. And we can go from there. Don't forget, you can purchase this painting tonight if you want to. Just go on the website and type in TikTok and it'll bring up a red box. You can buy this one now. You can secure this painting now. Just going to pull some of this down. This will be reflections. Just pull this down into the water there. Like that. Put this side here. I might even bring this tree here down on the foreground here, so I could just tap that in here and just bring this tree right the way down, and it now lives in front. Just a very, very thin paint. A big one that lives there. Going right up the top there, look at that. There we go. Maybe I'll swap to the fan brush on this one and have a big sort of one here. Yeah, let's do that. We can have one that sort of comes, and that one lives down here like this. A little bit of crimson into this Indian yellow here. Look at that. Look, we can come across just this colour here. We can add some little bits of more yellow and stuff here. I want it dark in places. Can you see that colour? Yes, you can. You can see it, can't you? Because I can see it. If I can see it, you can see it. As we get down to the front, we'll just sort of lift up here. Do all these little things here. I think that looks pretty cool. Just put all these little things here. Yes, I think it does actually look very nice. A tree there, look. And hopefully we can just put some nice little twigs and stuff on. Nothing too mad, just a bit here and a bit there. A lot of little ones on this one. This one can come off like this. Just a small amount of blue and the white. Let's just put some texture on here. Come back and just put some bits on here. And that's just a little bit of light coming down there. A little bit here and there. See that? Just create them little, just to put a little bit there. Okay, that looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Brings it out, doesn't it? Yeah, it's quite a nice one, I must admit. We're gonna just add these little tree trunks in here. There we go, just a little stroke on some of them. The colour, it's actually worked out very nicely, this one tonight. Just a little bit of light up here. I'm gonna use the back end of the knife, get a little bit on the back end, and I'm gonna, it's like a little roll of paint, and I'm going to squeeze that onto the river there. So I'm just putting a very small water line on. Okay, here we'll have a nice sort of bit here. Look at that. Letting that come off the knife as it wants to. There we go. We'll just put a few little bits in there. Okay, let's just blend this out here. Can put a nice little rock in front of that, that'll look nice. Rock that lives there. Just a little sparkle on that rock there, look. Just a little bit of a water line. Have a little bit of a rock just there. Isn't that beautiful? Really catching the light across from the moon there. Love it. You won't find a happier pair of brushes. Certificate going on. This is painting number 331. Okay, so there's my signature. Done. Look at that. Thanks everyone for being here, and I hope you found it relaxing and enjoyable. I love that little sparkly rock down. It's almost like it's got gold in it. A little bit of gold. There we go.